So previously we looked at Kaizen and Kaizen Blitz as an improvement technique, improvement methodology. In addition to that, there is another very important improvement technique which is PDCA cycle. When you say PDCA, P is for plan, D for do, C for check and A for act. So PDCA, plan, do, check, act. So this is a 4-step improvement approach and this is a iterative process. And when I say iterative process, that means you keep on repeating these steps again and again. You plan, do, check, act. Again plan, do, check, act. So this is a iterative process. So this approach was popularized by quality guru Dr. Deming. So what you do in PDCA cycle is that whenever you need to do any improvement, any change, the first thing you need to do is you need to plan. Because planning is the most important part of any change, any improvement. You really cannot do any improvement without planning. And once you have done the planning, the next step will be doing that. So you do that. And then once you have done that, you have made that change, you have made that improvement, the next thing which you want to do is you want to check. You want to check whether your improvement or whether your change has really resulted in the improvement or not. So that's a check step. And based on this check, if there is any action to be taken, that is taken in act part of that. So you keep on repeating, you plan something, you do, you check and act. This is the approach which you need to keep in mind whenever you are implementing or improving any process.